we're doing it in style. You know what? Give yourself a big hand too, because I think it was all those stable thoughts that you put out there on the water that helped him. And the lavender shark. Everybody lean left. There we go.
Yep. Right across the dock.
7, the big red one, that is the Flintstone mobile. And check out the gear on these folks. You can hear one of the teachers Here is Spirit of 76 through the finish line. Regatta Queen. Sometimes these guys are called they can be something. Ducky went over this. Ducky and Bryce set. They named their boat Hope Floats, and I think the Hope is still floating. The Rubber Ducky is trash. And the Flip, Regatta Queen, nice smooth run, just fun. This captain is a Noah's Ark boat coming out fast. That's the race by saw them in the news over the last couple of weeks. They call their boat Plum Race. And number 24, the Pequod. Pequod, P-E-Q-U-O-D. You're going to have to, all of you Herman Melville fans should have come to the Noah's Ark from Grace Bible Fellowship. Well out to Plum. On your marks, get set. SS Minnow on the inside, a crew that came dressed for the occasion, just like many do at the Great Cardboard Boat Regatta. The kayak is named So Long. In the middle of the group, from U.S. Army, Jacob, Nikolai, and Michael in their flatboat with the Army design. You can, of course, tell boat number 1, the Brown Outhouse. I think this is the hole-in-one coming up now. Matt and Josh. Hey, got it. True to the name of the boat, hole-in-one. And Matt and Josh getting home across the finish line. And our miniature kayak, Dwayne Smith says, so long. Get set.
Okay, well, we better keep going because I'm hot and you're hot.
Trying to get the early lead from the closest side here. So tiny little white boat, yes, boat design. Minimalist design, somebody spun out on turn 2. Cardboard boat. It's the Grace Fellowship boat coming out fast in the middle, and everybody else going to see if they can get a good position behind them. Great. It's the Grace Lutheran Fellowship Noah's Ark boat working hard, far on the outside, big turn, but that keeps them out of the traffic.
Okay, we've got a winner out there.
Lost the line, wandering way outside the course. Here comes the drag boat up behind him. See ya digging into 3rd position, but the SS Minnow right there, and here comes, picking up the speed, is the Sharkbait Catamaran. Gonna tangle Noah's Ark coming into the finish. On your marks, get set. Radio fire! Good fast ride. He's 76, trying to get the fast lead, but it's one track, trying to put the inside. And here it is, that's the hot shaker on the outside, all that turn 1.
Yeah, buddy.
tight together, tucked in, tight together. Stadium out in front, putting the swamp rat right with him. The skill of the crew that makes the difference. Here's the swamp rat getting the lead, but that could change again 3 times before we get to turn number 2. Happens coming around turn 2 of that final sprint. Could be an interesting challenge. Radio Flyer holding its own. Swamp Rat out in front, Gerald and William. But the stadium crew tucked in pretty close. They're going to do a good job. Get set. And it's the Swamp Rat group trying to come from the inside, but also trying to get in the straight line. See ya, right next to a drag boat in the middle. Stadium on the outside, and it just got spun away, but it just stayed out of the way. When it came to the Noah's Ark crew, they are off the far side of the course and to make up the difference. Swamp Rats in front. Stadium boat number 51, SS Game Day. The Swamp Rat trying to open the lead. That's number 60, Daryl and William. I have never seen a better first-year effort than I saw right here today at Longview. We do things typically 3rd place, 2nd place, 1st place. So, Class 2, Jeff, Wendy, and Bryce Sack, boat number 43, the Rubber Duck, come up for 3rd place. 2nd place in the Class 2 Mechanical Monsters, we call them sometimes experimental craft. Boat number 44, the Paddle Wheeler, Emmett and Chantel. This is Class 1, our open division. 3rd place goes to the drag boat. 2nd place, this team came in tired every time and they cranked it up every time they had a chance to go back out again. Cheryl Grimes and her crew from the Seahawk Stadium. Number 60, the Swamp Rat. So, first one is the Pride of the Regatta for the best design and construction using cardboard. That goes to Regatta Queen, boat number 50, Terrell and Lucas. Second one is the Vogue Award for the prettiest or most spectacular or most attractive boat in the view of the judges. And folks, you had some marvelous looking boats here today. Much better than I've seen for a first year event. Give yourself that big round of applause. But keep it going for this year's Vogue Award for the drag boat. Team Spirit Award goes to Game Day. Best dressed team. A lot of teams came today ready for the occasion. This time around it goes to boat 5, the 3-hour tour, the SS Minnow. And as I told you earlier in the day, some crews aren't worried about going fast, aren't worried about 1st, 2nd, 3rd place trophies. Sometimes they come just with an interest in getting one of these judges' awards. You saw any number of teams out there that were interested in the Titanic Award. Today's best sinking was boat number 49, Optimist Prime, Red White 7. And with that, we'll call to a close for this year the 1st annual, because I think we're going to have a second, the 1st annual Great Cardboard Boat Regatta, Longview, Washington. Thank you.